welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. I said that really weird. Anyways, today is December the 1st, woohoo! Which means I get to start the advent calendars. I'm gonna go grab my Body Shop calendar and unbox it. By the way, the reason I'm dressed up like this is because I was doing some sponsored content this morning. It took me about an hour to do, so I'm gonna take this off and then do a ballet class since I'm still in tights, leotard, and pointe shoes. But like I mentioned before, I'm gonna go grab my Body Shop advent calendar and open that for you guys. Oh my god. Oh, heavy. Ooh, I'm so excited. Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? I don't know if the camera's set up properly. No, you're not even seeing this. It's so pretty. Oh, I love all the little people in the windows giving gifts to each other. It's so pretty. I don't even want to like touch it. I feel like I'm gonna destroy it. So let's find number 1 for December 1st. December 1st, right there. Wow, that was lucky that I guessed the exact right drawer that December 1st was in. So I had the advent calendar last year, the pinkish magenta one, and this year it looks like they have something new. They have a little pop-out thing. This one says, this Christmas, we're celebrating the people who selfishly care for others all year round. For the next 24 days, let's join them and share that selfless love with the world. That's so sweet. And let's see what's inside for December 1st. Oh my goodness, I needed one of these. Some shower gel, love it. We also have a chocolate advent calendar, and today I should be getting my Nespresso order. So today's just the day that keeps on giving. December 1st has been awesome so far. It's also really windy outside. The trees are, I'm not even kidding, moving like 10-degree increments, the giant trees outside, so it's a little scary. But yeah, I'm going to take off this tutu, put on some shorts instead, because it's weird to do bar in a tutu. You're gonna hit the bar. I'm gonna do some bar while I have pointe shoes on, and then I'm teaching this afternoon, and then I'm teaching again this evening from 3:30 until 9 o'clock. Hi guys, it's Friday, December the 2nd, and I just got back from taking a nice long walk with Elsa. Went to the post office and I actually got a package, which I'll show you guys in a second. I'm gonna quickly do my skincare, makeup, and I'm also gonna curl my hair because I have some sponsored content I have to film today, and I have a 2-hour window before I'm teaching again, so I figured I'd get all that out of the way as much as I can. But I also thought I would answer some questions you guys asked me on my Instagram page, and if you're not following me, that is JASSOME for Instagram and JASSOME on TikTok. It's a face cleanser from First Aid Beauty. I like to do my makeup when my moisturizer is still a little bit tacky. I just feel like it sets into my skin better. I'm gonna use this Kosas concealer. First question, have you ever been injured by dancing and were thinking of quitting? Actually, one of the other reasons that I officially quit being a professional ballerina was because I kept getting injured. I sustained a stress fracture when I was 19 years old, and that took me out for an entire year to get back from. And I also sustained a stress reaction a few months later, and then I had another stress fracture. Oh my gosh, I can't find my blush today. I had another stress fracture in my femur. I had to take months off for that. And then a year later, I got a stress reaction in the other hip and the other femur. So after that, I was like, my body is telling me that this balance, quite frankly, isn't working out. So I did take some time off. Subsequently, that was the time that I decided to quit. If you guys don't know, I am not professionally dancing anymore, although I do call myself a professional ballerina because I always have been and I always will be a ballerina. That doesn't go away just because I'm not on stage anymore. So yes, I ultimately did quit because of injury, but also a lot of things. It felt like so many things were piling up. When I got injured, not only did I get injured, I wasn't being paid right, like at all. So I took a stance and I was like, you know what? I can find something else better. So I did that. I auditioned in Canada. And then during my auditions and during my training, when I came back home, I got another stress fracture and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna give my body some rest. And I just never went back professionally, and that's fine. I'm happy doing that. I've never felt happier and more fulfilled with my life. Do you have any old Nutcracker videos of yourself you can share with us? Probably somewhere. I do have some old videos I'd love to react to that were like from me when I was 12 years old and 14 years old, either in ballet school and as a competitive dancer. I watched them the other night with Steve and it was pretty fun. Since when are you on Pointe? Have a nice day. I started Pointe work when I was 14 years old. I have new Pointe shoes, but I feel better in the old ones. Is it okay? I'd say talk to the person who fit you and talk to your teacher because you know your body best. I can't tell you what to do and I can't tell you what shoes to wear. However, there's nothing wrong with liking an older pair of shoes, not older, but an older the model that you were previously wearing. There's nothing wrong with liking them more than the ones that you switched to now, unless the ones you switched to now you bought because they need to last longer or the shoe fitter says, no, these are actually better for your foot. Usually they know better. Sometimes it just takes getting used to the different maker and the different proportions in which the vamp is and which the shank is, because sometimes there's a 3/4 shank, sometimes it's a full shank, sometimes it's a really hard shank, sometimes it's soft. So it might just take getting used to. Sometimes the glue can be very tricky too, I find. I noticed you wear American gainers. Are you ever going to have to switch to Europeans? I don't think so, because the last gainers that I bought were before they changed all the manufacturing. So I was pretty lucky in that sense and I got a few pairs. And then after that, I'm gonna go back to Freeds actually, surprisingly enough. Those are all the questions I'm gonna answer for now. I'm gonna finish this makeup and then get back to you guys in a second. I'm teaching a class in about an hour and I thought I would just open up my advent calendar for today. It's December the 2nd. So, oh my gosh, it's heavy. Let's see what I got from the Body Shop. I just love this thing. It's so pretty. I'm gonna guess it's in the bottom one. It's too easy if it's in the same one. It's not in the bottom one. I'm gonna guess it's in the top one then. I'm not gonna guess the same one we did yesterday. I was right the second time, yes. Okay, so number 2, unite your neighbors by coming together to decorate a tree down the road or your street. They already did that and we tried to get there and we literally blocked the view for everybody because we drove in the road we weren't supposed to. So maybe not, because when we try to do those things, it ends up as a disaster. Anyways, oh, I love this one. I still use this. The Sumptuous Cleaning Butter with Common Chamomile Extract from Norfolk, England, suitable for sensitive skin. Also, when I went to the post office today, I got the cutest thing in the mail. I'll go get it. I got this package in the mail. I was like, who sent me this suspicious package? Because I don't know Hazelton's. I had no idea who this was, but it's actually from Hydrogun. You guys know I'm a long-term partner with Hydrogun. I absolutely love being able to endorse a brand that I truly believe in and that I truly resonate with, because authenticity is key in this YouTube space. They sent me this chocolatey, cookie, Christmassy, yummy deliciousness of a package, which is so sweet. And the card reads, Merry Christmas, dear Jasmine McDonald. It has been a pleasure to collaborate on the Atom and Heat pod this year. I hope these products have danced into your heart. We wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and we look forward to another year of collaborating together. Michelle and the team Hydrogun. So sweet. Thank you so much, Hydrogun. I love you guys. That is adorable. On that note, I'm going to go dig into this and get ready for my class in the next hour. Thanks guys for hanging out with me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.